You've probably heard the question, can astrology predict the stock market? Turns out, some traders don't just check earnings reports, they check the planets, yes, even Saturn, before making a trade. Now, before you roll your eyes, I've got patterns and market cycles that'll make you think twice. Stick around. I'll break down Astro-Finance, how it works, how you can use it, and what it might reveal to sharpen your strategy. All right, enough yapping. Let's fly into the stars and see what this Astro-Finance hype's all about. So first, what is financial astrology? Financial astrology, also called Astro-Finance, is the belief that planetary movements, lunar cycles, and cosmic events influence human behavior and, by extension, the markets. Think about it. Markets are driven by people. People are driven by emotion. Astrology has long claimed to map emotional energy, so it's not that far-fetched for some traders to see a link. This isn't just about zodiac signs or horoscopes. It's about tracking things like where the planets are in the sky, when they move backwards, or when eclipses happen, to try and spot big shifts in market mood or energy. In fact, some investors treat market indexes like people. They cast natal charts, using the IPO date of Apple, Tesla, or even the S&P 500, and study planetary transits to anticipate turning points. While it may sound wild, this system has existed for centuries, and even some hedge funds are quietly building algorithms around it. You think it's just crystal balls and moon dust? Nah, my amigos. This is pattern recognition on an astronomical scale. Real historical examples. One of the OGs of Astro-Finance was W.D. Gann, a legendary trader from the early 1900s who combined geometry, astrology, and market cycles. He allegedly predicted the 1929 crash to the day. Gann used planetary angles, time cycles, and even ancient mathematics from the Bible to plot market turns. Whether you believe in his methods or not, his trades and tools are still studied today. Star and planet patterns that could move markets. Here are some of the most used cosmic signals. Moon phases. Full moons and new moons are believed to stir up emotion in markets. Some traders track volatility spikes during these cycles. Mercury retrograde. Associated with miscommunication and tech breakdowns. Some traders avoid big decisions or earnings plays during this time. Saturn returns. Roughly every 29 years, Saturn returns to the same place in the sky. Historically tied to massive economic shifts. Think 2000 tech burst and 2008 crisis. The logic is simple. If emotions move markets and star and planet patterns affect emotions, then maybe the stars can give us a slight edge. If you've ever rage sold your portfolio during a full moon, maybe it wasn't just you. Maybe Mars was feeling spicy. How to use it responsibly. Here's how real astro traders apply it. Just like people have birth charts based on the exact time and date they were born, financial astrologers do the same for stocks or indexes. They use the IPO date, the day a company first went public, as its birthday, and then cast a chart based on the planetary positions at that moment. They analyze transits, when certain planets move into challenging angles with others. They don't trade only based on astrology. They use it to time or confirm decisions alongside technicals and fundamentals. Think of it like an emotional warning system. It helps some traders sense shifts in market mood before they show up in price charts. You can use it to spot possible volatility, or to check if the vibe of the market lines up with your strategy. Even just being aware of these cosmic cycles might help you stay calm and avoid impulsive trades. Bottom line, it's a complementary tool, not a crystal ball. I don't time trades based on my horoscope, but if Pluto's squaring Mars and my tech stocks wobble, I'm watching. What skeptics get right and wrong. Most traditional analysts call Astro-Finance pseudoscience, and there's good reason. There's no hard statistical proof that planetary cycles can predict market moves with consistency. Confirmation bias is real. People see patterns everywhere, especially when money's involved. But technical analysis was once considered fringe too. Today, it's on every Bloomberg terminal. And if nothing else, astrology forces you to zoom out and think in cycles, which is something most investors need to do more often. Conclusion: can you use astrology in trading? If you're curious, here's how you can start experimenting with Astro-Finance responsibly. Try tracking moon cycles and Mercury retrogrades alongside your trades. Paper trade entries or exits based on big planet movements. Never replace fundamentals or proper risk management. And finally, use it to stay emotionally aware, not magically predictive. So, can planets really move prices? Maybe not directly, but human emotions? Absolutely. And those emotions run Wall Street. Use your brain, check your charts, and hey, no harm in checking the stars too. Money and investing don't have to be boring. Subscribe and see for yourself.